Item 16 is a continuation of question number 1 from the 2019 exam. So we have this function here. We'll find the equation of the tangent to the graph at x equals -1. Well, it's going to be a horizontal line, and it should be y equals 1 on e, what we found out last time. But just to confirm, I will calculate tan line at x equals -1, and lo and behold, I did get y equals 1 on e. One more. Find the area enclosed by the graph of f and the tangent of the line to 4 decimal places. So we're looking for this area in here. And I can put my line 1 on e in, and I can put this line here in, and I can do analysis, G-solve, integral, intersection, choose the first one, come across, choose the second one. That's going to tell me that the area equals 0.356814. 4 decimal places, area equals 0.3568 units squared. And to ensure that I get the full marks, I'm going to say that the area equals the integral from -1 to 1 of 1 on e minus x squared e to the minus x squared dx. So there's my method mark, there's my solution mark. Let m be a point on the graph where m goes between 0 and 1. So m attaches somewhere between here. Find the minimum distance between m and the point 1 or 0e. So if I could move my page down a little bit, I've got here is 0e, here is the point m, and that's going to be m and f of m. So I wanted to have a minimum distance. The distance will be f of m minus 0 squared plus f of m minus e squared plus m minus 0 squared, and I want to minimize that. So let's define this function. And let's take that in. So let's do keyboard square root. And let's put a bracket around that. So I want f of x, and I'll use x not m, minus e to the 1. And we're going to square that. Plus bracket x minus 0 squared. So that's an expression for the area. So the distance. So that's an expression for the distance. So if I go to that answer, calculate f min between 0 and 1, it's going to tell me that the minimum distance is 2.51, and that's when x equals 0.783. So m equals 0.783, and the distance minimum is going to be 2.51, 3 decimal places 1, and what's after the 1 are 3. So there's my two answers, and that used an f min. I could have, if I wanted to, graphed my distance, and I found that analysis G-solve minimum is going to be the same two answers that we got by doing f min up over here.